Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I should say Happy Wednesday. And every Wednesday, Tracy at Eclectic Wandering, and I have her link in my title actually, does a show and tell Wednesday, and she has the cutest Wednesday Addams Blythe, and every week her little Blythe is in, oh, that's odd. I'll show you in a second. Her little Wednesday doll is in her video showing something off. So today I am going to join in. I don't think that slides out. Well, isn't that odd? What? Okay, let me cut this end and see where we are. Anyway, I'm joining in with Tracy on her show and tell Wednesday. And I'm showing a Wednesday Addams doll, there we go, that I bought a while back on AliExpress. She is basically Barbie size and has on the school uniform dress and oddly pink shoes. She has this cute little parasol. Let's get her out and take a look. I do like the way that she's in the box. I'm going to tell you right now, I get tired of those plastic snaps that we all call kerjinkers. Let's get her feet out carefully. I am going to save this box because I don't have one like that. Wow, she's more articulated than I thought. Wow, let's check this arm. Yeah, the arm, see if I can turn it and get it to bend. It does bend. I just need to, I guess that's the elbow. There we go. Look at that. What about the knees? Wow. Waist? No. Well, that's pretty cool. She is a cheaper plastic. Let's not kid ourselves. I'm not going to take the braids out of her hair to check it out. It's cute enough for me. It's just a little Wednesday doll. I have a collection of Wednesday Addams dolls. Let's look at her dress. It is all one. I knew it was. It is a printed dress. It closes with Velcro, which I don't have a problem with. And it's not sewn badly. It's really not. Cute enough. So let's close this back up and check out that parasol. I don't know with the pink. That's not right, but let's take a look. It's got this cute little parasol. Let's see if it actually opens. Wow. Well, okay, wait a minute. Let's see. I might have to sew that. It looks like, let's look at the inside. It looks like it's glued. Okay, that's glued, and I will have to repair that if I'm going to use this. Open. Just run a little glue down here. I'll probably use super glue. But it's cute. It's cute little parasol, but not for Wednesday Addams. Doesn't even shade her, let's be honest. Let's find her some black shoes. I went, and she's going to trade shoes with Barbie. She does have the typical fashion doll feet, and she has a ball joint on her knee so that her feet, if you look like this, can turn out so that if she were sitting, she could wrap one foot over the other. Actually, the articulation in this doll is shocking. She can even ride a horse. I'm very surprised about that, but there she is. She could ride a horse, and I like that. Look at this, Allison. She can hold the reins correct, too. How nice is that? She needs a black horse. So I'm going to have Darren make her a gray stand, and she's going to go up on the shelf with some of my other Wednesday Addams. I actually have them in a couple places in my collection. I like her. Yeah, she's cheap. I mean, she's cheap, but I like her. I'm very pleased. She comes in other clothes on the site, and I might go back and get another outfit. Thank you, Tracy, for this show and tell Wednesday. Please go and watch Tracy's channel and all the others that have Wednesday show and tell. And if you have a Wednesday show and tell video, would you please leave that in my comments so that I know to come and watch your video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.